Are you looking to elevate your online store with cutting-edge technology? Magento 2 AR might be the solution you need. By integrating augmented reality AR into your Magento store, you can provide your customers with a dynamic shopping experience that's bound to impress. Magento 2 AR is a powerful extension that brings the magic of augmented reality right to your e-commerce platform. Essentially, it allows customers to view your products in 3D directly on their devices. They can rotate, zoom in, and even visualize how the product looks in their environment. Think about it like this. Instead of imagining what that new sofa would look like in their living room, your customers can actually see it. Let's get into the real benefits. An enhanced customer experience. Imagine a shopper browsing your store, able to see products from all angles in a realistic environment. It's almost like being in a physical store. Then, there's the increase in conversions. AR keeps customers engaged longer and lets them interact with your products in a way that's more exciting than a flat image. Plus, it gives you a competitive advantage. If your competitors aren't offering AR, you're already one step ahead. Not to mention, Arkansas improves product visualization. Your customers get a detailed, up-close look at your products, which helps them make more informed decisions and reduces the guesswork. And finally, Arkansas helps to bridge the gap between online and offline shopping. All right, now that you're convinced about the benefits, let's walk through the installation process. First, download the Magento 2 AR extension file from the provider's store. After extracting the contents, transfer the files to your Magento root directory. Next, run a few commands in the Magento root directory like php bin magento setup. Upgrade to set things up. Don't forget to flush the cache once everything's installed. Configure the AR settings by going to Stores Configuration, WebAR Configuration, and enabling the AR feature. Finally, upload your 3D product models. You'll use GLB files for Android devices and USDZ for iOS. You can even customize how the AR button looks on your product pages. Once you're done, your customers can start enjoying AR in your store. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on how to optimize your Magento store.